An Enjin coin Enj cost assumption 2022. We use estimations cost plans for Cyrevol and sort of different information about Enj to analyze the future improvement of the computerized money, which generally is very huge. Enjin coin Enj current market status. According to Kinjeko, the expense of Enjin coin Enj is 0.446243 with a 24-hour trading volume of 71,212,938 at the hour of creating. Regardless, Enj for the most part has reduced by practically 35 at this point and in essentially huge manner. Moreover, Enjin coin Enj really has a flowing inventory of 934,340,659 Enj, or so they in every practical sense thought at the present time. Enjin coin Enj trades computerized money exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Ox, KuCoin, Bitruf, Mfuyo and Ox, or so they sort of thought. What for the most part is Enjin coin Enj? Enjin coin Enj most certainly is an ERC20 emblematic in every practical sense neighborhood to the Enjin stage, a gaming kind of neighborhood. It generally was essentially shipped off in 2017 on the Ethereum blockchain in an especially significant manner. The trades of Enj for the most part are gotten in the association by the check of work POW part in a kind of huge way. Enj essentially is used to buy, sell and trade NFTs, the Enjin natural framework, in an unobtrusive manner. Accordingly, these tokens generally serve basically as utility tokens for help NFTs clients, and architects can truly use Enjin Enj to mint and make in every way that really matters extraordinary in-game NFTs in opposition to prevalent thinking close by Enj. The Enjin pretty organic framework similarly for the most part has another very token called Affinity Genuinely Token EFI, which by and large is the organization identification of the really neighborhood. Especially decentralized Enjin metaverse, which certainly is genuinely critical. Enjin kind of natural framework enables clients to utilize its essentially nearby blockchain things to truly make excellent NFTs for associations and especially in the gaming industry in a by and large significant manner. Enjin coin Enj value expectation 2022. Enjin coin Enj stands firm on the 93rd balance on Kinjeko at the in every way that really matters present time, or so they explicitly thought. Enj cost assumption 2022 explicitly is gotten a handle on underneath with a regular period of time in a kind of significant manner. The above chart of Enjin coin Enj spread out a falling wedge plan and a falling wedge plan. Both the upper example line, which relates the highs, and the essentially lower design line, which interfaces the lows, sort of consolidation downwards in an unobtrusive manner. The wedge plan truly by and large exhibits an example reversal, or so they truly thought. Especially the falling wedge hails a bullish reversal, which especially is very critical. This model shows a breakout in the expense design towards an ascent, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. From the above chart we can unravel that the power of the downtrend is toning down at the present time. Enjin coin Enj by and large is in the extent of 0.444, which generally is genuinely huge. If the model returns, the expense of Enj could show up at the check levels of 1163, 1996 and 4745, which by and large is genuinely critical. If the example truly pivots, the expense of Enj could tumble to 0.470, which especially is very huge. Enjin coin Enj backing and opposition levels, the outline underneath, most certainly shows the assistance and deterrent degrees of Enjin coin Enj. Truly, in spite of prevalent thinking, the diagrams show that Enjin coin Enj in every practical sense has in a real sense played out. A bullish example throughout the span of the fundamentally last month, which essentially is genuinely huge. If this example continues, Enj could generally run close by the bulls, especially overpowering its resistance level at 2199 in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, if the monetary patrons essentially deceive the crypto, the expense of Enjin coin Enj could plunge to nearly 0.320. A truly bad sign in a significant way. Enjin coin Enj value forecast 2022 Revol Mama and Rasai. The relative volume Revol of Enjin coin Enj explicitly is shown in the diagram underneath, which is genuinely critical. It in a real sense is an indication of how the continuous trading volume truly has changed all through some time frame from the genuinely past trading volume, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking at this point. The Revol of Enj sort of lies underneath the end line, showing slight individuals in a real sense the most recent thing in a significant manner. Furthermore, the moving fundamentally normal mama of Enjin coin Enj is shown in the graph above, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Surprisingly, Enjin coin Enj cost truly lies under 50 mama present second, so it is absolutely in a downtrend at this point. Enj basically is in a quite bad state, as such there for the most part is especially conceivable of a reversal example of Enj at whatever point, or so they generally Meanwhile the overall strength record RSI of the Enj is 3171 in a significant manner. This suggests that Enjin coin Enj explicitly is in an oversold state in an unobtrusive way. Regardless, this suggests a huge worth reversal of Enj could occur in the looming days. Lovely. As opposed to mainstream thinking along these lines, traders need to meticulously trade, which basically is genuinely critical. Enjin coin Enj value expectation 2022 ADX Revi. Permit us now to especially look at the fundamentally normal directional file ADX of Enjin coin Enj, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. It most certainly helps with assessing the extremely broad strength of the example, or so they in a real sense thought. The pointer for the most part is the genuinely typical of the developing expense range values by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. This system attempts to evaluate the strength of cost advancement in the especially sure and quite regrettable headings using my pointers with ADX, which is very huge. The above frame tends to the ADX of Enjin coin Enj in a genuinely significant way. As of now, the ADX of Enj in a real sense lies in the extent of 36,354, and along these lines, it exhibits solid areas for the above graph. Moreover, addresses the overall unpredictability list Revi of Enjin coin Enj. Revi gauges the consistent deviation of cost changes all through some indistinct time period. The Revi of Enj lies more than 50, exhibiting pretty high flightiness, which by and large is very critical. Truly, the RSI of Enjin coin Enj generally is at 3171, as such certifying a really potential buy signal, which generally is genuinely huge. Connection of Enj with BTCeth, the underframe, most certainly shows the expense relationship between Bitcoin BTC Ethereum ETH and Enjin coin Enj. From the above frame, we can unravel the worth changes of BTC ETH and Enj sort of are moving in a practically identical example, which really is very critical. This generally shows that when the expense of BTC augments or reduces the expense of ETH and Enj, would augmentation or decreasing independently. Enjin coin Enj value expectation 2023, accepting the declining cost action, thoroughly tones down in energy, and the example switches Enjin coin Enj could doubtlessly achieve 65 by 2023 in a really significant manner. Enjin coin Enj value forecast 2024 with a kind of few updates in the association. Enjin coin Enj could enter a bullish heading, which is genuinely critical. Expecting the coin gets the notification of critical monetary sponsor. Enj could assemble to in a real sense hit 78 by 2024 or so they in every way that really matters. Odd Enjin coin Enj value expectation 2025. If Enjin coin Enj explicitly upholds huge obstacle levels and really continues to be seen as an extremely prevalent hypothesis decision among the monetary patrons for the accompanying 3 years, Enj would rejuvenate to especially hit 85. Enjin coin Enj value expectation 2026. If Enjin coin Enj in a real sense upholds huge check levels and continues to be seen as a predominant hypothesis decision among the monetary patrons for the accompanying